8 Psychological Tricks to Read People Like a Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're delving into the intriguing world of psychology as we explore 8 mind-bending tricks that can help you read people like a pro. Before diving in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fascinating content. Let's get started. Our first trick revolves around the power of observation. Pay close attention to nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, and gestures. These subtle signs can reveal much about a person's thoughts and feelings. For example, crossed arms might indicate defensiveness, while open gestures suggest receptiveness. Mastering the art of observation can give you valuable insights into someone's mindset without them uttering a single word. Next up, we have mirroring and synchronization. This technique subtly mimics the body language and speech patterns of the person you interact with. People tend to feel a stronger connection with those who mirror their behavior, making it easier for you to understand and influence their thoughts. Just be careful not to overdo it. Subtlety is key. Our third trick is a classic but often overlooked technique: active listening. Instead of just hearing what someone is saying, truly engage with their words. Maintain eye contact, nod in agreement, and ask open-ended questions. Doing so creates a space for the other person to open up, allowing you to gain deeper insights into their thoughts and emotions. Now let's talk about pattern recognition. Humans are creatures of habit, and recognizing patterns in behavior can be a powerful tool for understanding someone's mindset. Pay attention to recurring themes, preferences, and reactions. By identifying patterns in a person's actions, you can make more accurate predictions about their thoughts and behavior. Our fifth trick involves the power of silence. Sometimes saying less can reveal more. Embrace moments of silence during a conversation and observe how the other person reacts. People often feel the need to fill the void, leading them to share more than they intended. By strategically using silence, you create opportunities for others to disclose valuable information. As we move forward, our sixth trick is establishing rapport. Build a genuine connection with others by finding common ground and showing empathy. When people feel understood, they are more likely to open up, allowing you to gain deeper insights into their thoughts and emotions. Seventh on our list is the power of storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with others, as stories can reveal emotions and perspectives. Sharing your own experiences can create a comfortable space for others to share theirs, providing you with valuable insights into their mindset. The eighth and final trick involves decoding verbal cues. Listen not only to what someone says, but how they say it. Tone, pitch, and speed of speech can convey hidden meanings. Pay attention to subtle changes in their verbal expression, as they can offer clues about their true thoughts and feelings. And there you have 8 psychological tricks to read people like a pro. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these insights ethically and respect the privacy of others. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more mind-expanding content, and until next time, keep unlocking those minds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for fascinating content, and I'll see you in the next video.